Greetings everybody, it's me Krish from Gossipfunda, and today we will talk about a topic that few of Xiaomi users have been facing lately, which is the camera stops working. So in order to solve the problem of the camera has stopped working, what we have to do is the first thing we should try is to restart our phone, and in most cases when you restart your phone your application starts working again. But if that does not work, what we have to do is we have to check that if there is any application we recently downloaded that has been using the permissions of our camera, and that certain permission has caused this problem. So if that has happened, we need to delete that application, and after that, if still the problem persists, then what you have to do is you have to come to your settings, and then you have to search for manage apps, and then you have to search for system, and then you have to click on system launcher, and here you have to clear your cache memory, and then you have to come to system UI and you have to clear the cache, and after that you have to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted your smartphone, your this problem will be solved. And for proof I will show you that my application will start working after the restart. And now as you can see that I have restarted my smartphone. Now I will show you that my camera is working. Let's check. And as you can see, my camera is working properly. So therefore this is how you can solve this certain problem if your camera has stopped working. This is it for the new video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's me, Krish from Gossipfunda, and I will see you in the next video.